Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. I don't know why I was saying 11:20 a.m., but we're live. We're live, folks. Welcome to the morning stream. BP, thank you for bringing that to my attention. But we are currently live now. Man, what a day yesterday. Market popped back up from being so low yesterday. So we're going to see what the market gives us, and we're going to wait for our strategies and execute. That's all we're doing here. With that being said, let's see where we're actually at. All right, so we got the VWAP. We got the VWAP all the way down there at 632.50. We got the close. The close from yesterday, 509.50. 509.50.
509.
Good morning, Steve. And
Good
we do
morning.
have
How
a
are you
pivot.
doing?
I'm doing good. How about yourself?
Morning, Steve.
Good morning. I'm doing good. I'm with my favorite people right now.
That's what I'm talking about. We got pivot point above us, 76725. When we look for a pivot below us, the other pivot points all the way down there below us at 396. So quite a ways to get down there. So we're just going to see what the market gives us today, and we'll execute. Good morning, Dylan. Good morning. How's everyone feeling today? Is everyone feeling good? Hopefully you are, because I'm feeling great today. Ready to sit here, wait for the moves, and execute like trained snipers in the market.
All right. My desk chair broke, so I'm really short right now.
I'm sorry, here I need to get a new desk chair because this thing's squeaking way too much over here these days. I've had this chair now for probably like 6 years.
Yeah, this one, I got it from where I used to work. They were kind of rehabbing, so it's like it's really nice, but it's had it. It's like I feel like I'm a kid at the cousin's table when you're eating at Thanksgiving and you're young.
I know that one. I know that one. Dylan, sorry to hear that life has been lifing. I feel like that's for all of us, to be real, fam, because we're all going through life. Everyone has different issues going on, but we gotta overcome those issues so we can actually execute. Because the fact that you showed up today shows you're dedicated to securing your freedom and building your legacy. No pun intended. And I'm excited for you because what I realized when life is life, and right, and I think last week I said on one of the traders hangouts that disruption always follows intention. So if you have intentions of doing something great, if you're trying to hyper focus on the charts and like really lock in so you can execute cleanly, there's going to be disruptions in your life. The disruptions are supposed to come. But when they come, you have to understand they are only coming because your intentions are to do something greater. And that's how you can get through the disruptions of life. Because when they come, you're like, okay, I'm doing the right thing right now. Because if you're not doing the right thing, right? If you're not working on the plan that's set for your life, you won't have any disruptions. It's going to be quiet. Like, everything will just be, like no care in the world. But when you're truly doing something meaningful and important, that's when disruptions come. It's not to say you're doing something wrong. It's to let you know you're being attacked because you're doing something right. So when they come for me, I'm like, all right, cool. I'm clearly in the right vein right now. I'm clearly doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Because if I wasn't, I wouldn't be having any small little fires popping up around the life and everything like that I gotta put out sometimes.
Good morning.
Good morning, LJ.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How about yourself, sir?
LJ.
Doing good. Hey, how you doing, Steve? How you doing, Gary?
Man, I feel like I got the original squad back together. All I need now is Dave in here.
He's about to get on right now.
Oh man, woo!
We back.
We got the OG team in the on the Zoom call a day.
Yeah.
Day one dynamite, I tell you.
Good morning, Brett. Good morning, my Canadian brother from another mother. Hopefully you're feeling well today. Oh, thanks, Dylan. We just took what the market was giving us, bro. Ready to add some more money to funded accounts today if the market's treating us well. Because I need $855 in one of my accounts just to take out a 2K payout on one of my Tradify accounts. I'm already past, like, it's a growth account with a Tradify, so you have a requirement of hitting $3,000 in your account. I'm already past it. And mind you, I've already taken a payout on the account as well. The thing for me is I made too much money too quickly. So for the consistency to be right, I gotta put in the 855. I'm trying to give the streams a chance to hopefully there's a little momentum this morning. Hope you're well doing. Lance, what's up, bro? Good morning. Well, yesterday you missed out. Yesterday we had some good momentum. Yesterday the momentum was just like, mwah, and the market's like, just take all the money. I'm like, okay, I'll take it. You know what I'm saying? Like, so hopefully today we get some good movement. Hopefully we're not chopping today, but we're going to see what we get. Everything starting to settle after the Trump press conference yesterday, everything like that. So markets may tend to be very bullish today to keep going higher since the dust has settled. Lance.
Hey, Duane, once you take your payout, does the consistency rule like level off there so you can like recoup that money down the line to your next payoff kind of thing?
Yeah, so whenever you take a payout, your consistency goes back to 100%, and then you just have to hit the profit target in the growth account. In the select account, there is no profit target or consistency, but I have multiple growth accounts, and since I have those, I have a 3K profit target each cycle. So say like right now, the account after I put this 855 in today, it'll be like $4,500. Okay. I take out the 2K, that gives me $2,500. So technically, I only need to make $500 to hit the profit target.
Gotcha.
You know what I'm saying? But we gotta have the consistency down to that. I think it's like 35% for the growth account.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're still able to withdraw money that's in your account, but you just have to make sure you hit the profit target in the growth account and your consistency is good. Now we're talking about Tradify, Lance, but I'm excited for my select accounts that I have with Tradify. Actually, I submitted a ticket yesterday. Let's see if they got back to me, because one of my funded accounts, I have not been able to trade it. So I hit them on it yesterday. What?
Just for information, we got 1 minute till market open.
Thank you, Steve.
You're welcome.
All right. Yeah. They're going to annoy me now. They're saying it was closed because of idle time because I didn't trade it.
Yeah, but you couldn't trade it because they blocked it.
Yeah, I literally just, that's what I just said right there. Like, don't know if you guys heard my fingers typing away there. I'm like, well, it was locked, so I couldn't trade it.
Yeah, I mean, that's like a catch-22.
Like, what?
And 10 seconds still open, baby.
Here comes market open. Here comes market open, boys. Let's make some smoney today. Morning, Mooser.
Moose.
How you doing?
I respect you.
Good morning, Dave.
Morning, guys. Good morning.
Morning, everybody.
Hello,
Let me
MG.
make sure our audio sounds crisp.
Beatrice, come on, Beatrice.
So that's
Holy
only-
folks, I knew it was gonna go down. Oh my god, look at this.
So are you looking at the retrace yet, Moose? Where are you?
Not yet. It's gonna come down to the zone. Where is that? Right here. I would say 25.66 the furthest, and it's gonna retrace. But I think we're gonna go down. Well, no, I take that back. Hold on. Let me focus real quick. Give me 2 seconds. It's gonna bounce
Like a
off
rocket.
our EMA. That is a little sketchy.
Lance, if you struggle with consistencies, all you need to do is you just need to trade longer for a longer period. So instead of trading only for like 5 days, trade for 10 days, and that'll automatically get your consistency down.
Open up, so we should be probably. I assume we should be going down.
Well, we got the close from yesterday, 509, down there at 509. So we got a little gap below us for that close. We're just going to see what the market gives us today. Where's my mouse? There we go.
145. Good. Switch counts.
Good job, Mooser. Good job, Mooser. Yes, I'm calling you Mooser now, not Moose. Mooser.
That's kind of weird.
Hey, it happens. Just accept it. It's okay.
And at least I don't use any fake names or anything that would stick to me, so I'm safe.
I thought it was sucker, no?
You bounce off that 1 hour EMA. You're about to bounce it off at 25.661.
Yeah.
Well, I'm just patiently waiting here till 9:45.
Just waiting and anticipating.
I gotta sit on my hands. Right now because, man, your boy is ready to execute.
I need to sit on my hand just so I could be taller in this damn chair. Ridiculous.
Get a booster seat.
Get a booster seat.
I'm just gonna have to buy a new chair. This one was awesome though. It was like the deluxe, but hydraulic thing said no more.
Hey, where are we?
Yeah, see, that's stupid.
We bounced off the 1 hour EMA. Now,
Yeah, so, yeah.
the 4 hour candles.
I feel like Trade Fox going to annoy me today.
We already had a retracement 4 hour candle.
What did they say?
No, they haven't messaged back yet. I just messaged them.
Yeah.
But I have other, like, select accounts ready to be activated to fund it. But I can't because I'm maxed out at the 5.
Yeah,
So it doesn't make sense.
Like that car is blocking the lane in your garage and you can't drive the other one.
Exactly.
They just shake it off because I know that when they did that one thing with my ATM strategy on my personal brokerage account, it pissed me off through the whole day. And I was like, man, it stole a trading day from me because I was so mad at their stupidity.
Yeah, it's not aggravating me like that. But it's just like one of those things where it's like I reached out to you guys in December about being locked out. So how are you going to close that funded account if I reached out to y'all?
And who in the world would just give up on a funded account? I'll just make another one. It's like you're already funded at that point. Like, it'd be kind of weird to tax purposes. Get rid of it.
Because today I had to put in $100 on one of my other select accounts, and then that one will be ready to get activated. So what I do is I just have them waiting. So if I ever blow an account, I have another funded ready to replace it.
Yep.
Oh, we're dropping.
Oh, Nelly.
Oh my
Well,
God. Where's my 2-minute retrace? Let me see. Oh, we haven't gotten it. I don't like this. Probably 2-minute. I'll wait.
it's only been 5 minutes of the market open here, so no rush. But we're coming down to the VWAP now as well. VWAP's currently sitting at 644.25. There's the tap right through it like it wasn't even there. Look at this momentum. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly.
1-minute retrace at 9:32.
Good morning, BP. Your boy wants to jump in right now, but I'm not breaking my rules. I gotta wait till 9:45.
Was anyone trading Power Hour yesterday? It looks wild. You had that huge surge.
Anyone trade yesterday for Power Hour?
No.
Nope. Looks like no one traded Power Hour. For me, I always thought about trading Power Hours, but then I'm like, I can't because at that point, I feel like I'm working.
Yeah, I did for a while. Like if I didn't catch anything good during the morning session, I would trade Power Hour. But it's also pretty crazy. You know, you can get like caught on the wrong side of a really wild move.
Okay. Yeah, no thank you. No thank you. Let's see if we possibly build out a little bear flag down here. That would give me some warm and fuzzies.
A bear flag supported by the VWAP just for Duane.
Well, I would prefer the bear flag print right below the VWAP.
Well, look, what you prefer.
Just to really let us know what's happening. BP, how was dinner last night, bro? What did you decide on getting? Pizza or did you get the burgers? He's about to hit me with Chinese food. Watch. Bulls trying to step in. Let's see if we get a flag. Just waiting on the flags. Pizza. Okay. The Brazilian all-you-can-eat pizza? If you know, you know.
We know.
Where's that?
No, it's an inside. It's an inside move.
Good right there. It might go against my healthy eating morals, but all you can eat pizza sounds good.
Yeah, BP wants to open up a Legacy Wealth Society all-you-can-eat Brazilian pizza spot. Bro, that Parmesan beef was fire, bro. At Gacho, bro, it was awesome. So when I was in Canada, we went to an all-you-can-eat like Brazilian steakhouse, called Gacho. Yes, I said Gacho, not Gotcha, but Gacho. And they had this Parmesan beef. Oh, it was amazing. It was amazing. After I ate it, I didn't want to eat any other meat, just the Parmesan beef. Still waiting. I got 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes. So I'm officially cleared to trade here mentally. Technically, I can trade right now, but it's a rule of mine to wait the first 15 minutes. It's a nice reset for the markets each day for myself as well, because by me waiting the first 15 is showing automatically to myself that I have discipline. Because listen, seeing the market go up and down is so tempting to jump in. I'm the first one to tell you. We got a lot of selling pressure right there. What happened to our music? There we go. What's up, DL? Good morning, sir. Make sure you guys are liking all the streams for your boy, please. we're letting YouTube know we're here to stay. Because this channel just keeps growing hand over fist each and every month right now. And we're not going to slow down. I'm all in. Let me mute Dave because him and LJ having a conversation in the background. What was that, Steve?
My bad. I didn't know y'all could hear me. My bad.
Dave, I can hear everything, fam.
Dave was just discussing how many thousands he's going to take today before 10
For real. Yeah, right now.
I wish.
Right now, just waiting right now, just to see what we actually get. We're above the VWAP right now. I don't like this right here because we have the strong pull. I like my flags being built off of strong pulls. We had this red pole print, but it had that bottom wick on it. So I don't consider that a strong red candle. Tomorrow we got news at 9:45. Tomorrow we got news at 9:45 for the S&P. So that should move the markets as well.
Well, should we trade the S&P while we're looking at the news for the S&P? That would be fun.
I probably won't. I'll stick to the Nasdaq. Let's see if we build some type of a flag. I want to see a nice flag. I'm gonna get if the market's gonna go down. I want to get below this VWAP and then print a bear flag. That's my goal. If I want to go short, if I want to go long, I need to print a bull flag above it with solid momentum. All right, 2 minutes, a little bit less than 2 minutes here for 9:45. So be careful. Be careful. Who knows what's going to happen right now? All right, we're below the V. Oh! Well, we're below the VWAP now.
For sure.
So let's see if we get a flag. Now I would like to see a nice bear flag.
It's coming. It's gonna come down to this EMA.
We have our pivot point below us is all the way down there at like 400 something. So yeah, 396.25 for the pivot below us.
Wow.
So not looking for pivots right now. Just looking for flags and momentum. That's it. Right here at the VWAP.
We're about to hit the daily EMA.
Yeah, baby. Gray and white. I'm pretty sure I did just check it. Yeah, I'm sure I did. Good job, BP. Big shout out to B. I can't even. I gotta get some water in a second. Big shout out for BP in the chat from my captain's voice here. 30 days green for his streak right now. 30 days green. Congratulations, bro. Happy for you, fam. Legacy wealth right there, baby. Legacy wealth. He was already on his streak before he joined, but hey, 30 days is 30 days. You get props when it's due. I'm officially cleared to trade. Good morning, Is. Huh? Oh, I had water, but here I'll take the cup. Is there water already in the cup?
No,
I'm
just
just
a
asking.
cup. She's bringing you a dry cup, dude.
All right, so we're down here at the low of this 15-minute range. Let me get my account switched real quick to the right one I want right now. There we go. W Brenda for sure. All right, so we just broke out of the 15-minute range right there. We retraced back into it slightly right there as well. Let me start looking for my targets. First target I got is 552.75. 552.75. There we go. I want to pull back into that 15. And I want to stay in here for the next like minute, and then we go lower. That's what I'll be looking for. I don't want us coming down yet. I would prefer us to stay closer to this 15 before we keep coming down.
Well, we're at the whole number. I went through it.
Good call out, Steve. Good call. I wasn't even looking at that. Thank you. Let's see what we get. She's looking heavy right now. She is looking heavy, but
took a little short right there. That's 600 right there.
come on, Betsy.
Keep giving.
Come on, Betsy. Come on. Come on. We're so close right now. Let's go. Come on. I just closed it right there. Just secured a 2K payout on that trade right there. So there we go. 890. 890 on that trade. Just secured a 2K payout with Tradeify. Ka-chow! And now we rotate. Now we rotate. We're coming down to our first target that I said. We have not touched it yet. It's right there at 553. 553 for that first target. I'm holding until we actually touch it to see if we bounce off of it and push slightly up to build out another flag or something like that. But we got to hit that 553 for me to be looking for another trade. We want to see how the market reacts from touching it. But we got the close from yesterday, 509.50, 509.50 below us. Well, awesome. Happy we just secured that 2K payout. We'll take it. But now I had to ask myself, right? Do I not take the payout and just let the account sit? Because I'm working on another payout on a couple other accounts. Decisions. So I want to take like one big payout. Wow. So we did not touch that first target. And the Bulls are trying to bring us back up some, but let's see if we get a flag. That's all we're looking for. We're looking for flags. And that's it. Flags and momentum. It doesn't get simpler than that. Just saying. Just saying, boys. But hey, not bad. So for literally, what was that? 16, well, we'll say like 20 minutes. 20 minutes of waiting made 890. It doesn't get better than that. I think one big payout with the BP, I could definitely do that. Like right now, I have other growth accounts that are funded as well that I need to trade. The markets haven't been moving the way I really like some days. So I haven't been trading on my funded. Because right now my goal just to end this month is to get one payout per funded account. And say I just did that right now. And I take like not the minimum payout, but not even the max payout on them. That would put in by next Friday over 11 grand for this month. So I feel like I said, I feel like she's heavy still. I feel like she's heavy. I want to see a flag with momentum. We are getting that selling wick on that 2 minute right there. Because BP, I took the pressure off, right? Off myself. I'm like, if I just take one payout per account that I have, like that's really good money. Do it that way as I'm adding the 150K accounts as well, because on the 150K accounts, it's easier for me to make way more money on those accounts because I could be higher contracts. So that's what I'm like, take just on my 50Ks, one payout a month, and then on the 150Ks, I really stack those. So that way I could take big payouts. So right now in this 5-minute candle, I would want the bears to step in because I don't want it going more than 50% of this red candle on the 5 minute. If I'm looking for a bear flag. Go ahead, Brett. Go ahead, sir. Good job, bro. Lock it in, walk away, fam. That's it. If you're trading like on Ninja Trader, one of the reasons why I like Ninja Trader, you can switch over to a sim account. You can put in $50,000, whatever in it, sim, and you can practice. So you don't have to trade your prop account. Once you're done with trading for the day, you can switch over and keep trading and honing your skills in without risking anything. Oh, is this going to be a big old bear flow? Oh, Nelly, your boy's excited. Let's see what we get. Patience, Duane, patience. Let's see if this pays us some more money. We never touched that first target. That's good. I would say slow and steady, but I don't think you're being slow with it. Yeah, she's looking heavy. My eyes are telling me she's slightly heavy right now. Here comes my yellow line. Come on, flush it. Come on. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. You're playing with my emotions right now. I don't like this. There we go. We didn't touch it yet. The battle right here is real. Come on, flush already. Come on. Stop playing with me. Thank you. Thank you. Did we touch it? No, we haven't even touched it yet. What was that? I did not like that move right there. What was that?
That move was like a little psycho.
Yeah, I do not like that.
One minute to 10 o'clock.
Thank you, G. Thank you.
30 something seconds now.
I may close this since we're coming up on 10 like that. Because I do not like being trades right at 10 o'clock.
Hey, 10 o'clock right now.
I closed at 750 right there. Oh, why did I close? Why did I close? But hey, still made money. Still made money. Rotate to the next one. If I would have held just for a split second longer, that would have been like over $1,000 right there, but it is what it is. We keep it pushing. We keep it pushing, boys. All right. That is true. That is true, Brett. We finally hit my first target on my chart. We're coming back down to it here. The first target was down there at 553. 553. If we get below the 553 and we don't get bought up how we just did, I'll be targeting the close from yesterday, 509.50. 509.50. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. Be careful down here because we do have buying pressure down here. So just keep that in mind. If you're still looking for a short, we do have some buying pressure down here. So I want to clear some wicks to make me feel a little bit more comfortable. And honestly, I need a flag. I need a bear flag to really give me the warm and fuzzies. To give me the warm and fuzzies, I need a bear flag.
Ninja saying that close from yesterday is 529, not 509.
That's weird because on my trading view it has us at 509.50.
So we got 529.50 on here, so that's strange.
Gotta love when they're not synced together.
Well, it's kind of screwy because you want to take a trade against that. Yeah, it's like.
Well, it's good though because okay, if Ninja Trader's showing 529.50, we'll still mark that on the chart and we look for that area as well. So whenever that happens, you just use the different points that it's giving as areas that we want to be careful in. Yeah, look at that flag on the 5 minute. I put the line on the chart a while ago. Are we going to get a full flushy flush? I know BP wants a flushy flush. I personally will. Ooh, BP. What's up, bro?
Not much. I just hopped on like literally a second ago. And I heard you say my name, and I was like, well, might as well say it.
You know, what can I say? What can I say? You're a likable guy, BP. You're a likable guy, okay?
Thank you.
Are you and Dylan ready for next month, gentlemen? We're going to be on the Riverwalk together next month.
That does sound like fun. We should go to that one place where they treat us horribly. I'm just kidding.
Well, actually, I think Brenda would get a kick out of that.
It's funny. I forgot what it's called.
Isn't it called like Dick's or something like that?
Yes, it is. And they're just so
/resort.
Yeah, they're so fucking rude. It's so funny.
Actually, that's where we're going. Forget the fancy dancy restaurants. We're going to Dick's.
No, it was just a joke. We should definitely go to one of like the Brazilian steakhouses.
Doesn't matter to me. I get the same thing wherever I go. I get meat. So
Yeah, fair.
I can literally go anywhere and get meat. So just waiting for some momentum. We have a lot of buying pressure down here. That's why I'm not trying to just go short. Lots of buying pressure. Hey, green so far for the day. We'll take it. Just under 2K for the... Just under 2K so far. The next trade should take us over 2 grand for the day. I see a little bear flag possibly trying to form on the 2-minute chart here. Let's bring that line down right there. So this first target, this 553 area, looking like it's trying to hold the market up a little bit. We need to clear this area for me to want to go short. We need some good old momentum, boys. Do not get chopped up right here. Right now, we're chopping slightly. We need to clear these previous candle wicks to make me want to feel like, oh, maybe I should go short. Because I'm not trying to go short and then it get bought right back up. So note to self, do not take a short into buying wicks. Trust me, I've been there, I've done it. It's not fun. All right, there we go. We just cleared some wicks. But we're creating another wick. So, man. Yep. Nope. Not buying right now. Well, not shorting right now. Because we got these wicks. We got these wicks, boys. Pow! Right now, this 553 area, holding the market up. So this is clearly a support area. So that's what's cool about the targets that I call out. They're either going to act as a support or we're going to resist it. Where we'll go right through it. We'll possibly retrace to it. And then we bounce and keep going lower or higher. You know what I'm saying? Like depending on if we're above the 15 or below. So right now, I want to see us start to reject off of this and keep falling, waterfalling here. So we got these big buying wicks. So I'm hands off right now. What was that?
I was gonna say we still have like our Asia low too, so we could still downfall to that too.
Where's the Asia low?
It's over here at 482, basically 483.
Okay. Hey, if it wants a waterfall, I'm all for it. I'm just not trying to get put in this chop right now. Yeah, because I want to trade this lucid funded 4 contracts deep, 150K account on my next trade here. So that's why I'm like patiently waiting. Let's see if we possibly get the flag. Oh yeah, on the 1 minute, this is looking slightly interesting. Yeah, if the sellers step in, we're printing a big bear flag on the 1 minute. So I'll just be waiting for the momentum to take us lower. If the bears want to step in. I don't want us to print a small little bull flag inside this bear flag because at that point it's like, no trade. For all the new people on the YouTube streams, welcome to the New York trading session with the Legacy Wealth Society and myself. We stream Monday through Friday for the New York session, executing trades, winning, learning. I don't say losses, I say learning, because if you have a losing trade, you didn't lose, you just learned something new. That's it. And yes, I do learn sometimes. I'm not guy that just always wins. No, some days I may have a red day. That's part of trading. Oh yeah, we're getting ready to come on down, boys. I can feel it slightly. I need some more selling pressure though. Once we get away from this 553, we should be relatively good, but we have to get away from it.
I want to see a candle closure above 581. If we're
Okay.
gonna continue down.
581's BP's target to make us go on down.
Flip that area. I'm just watching because I have no idea.
So BP said everyone full port long. That's what BP just said. That's a joke. People do not do that. It is a joke, folks. It is a joke. Yep. So this 553 still holding us. This area. Are we getting ready to start to lose it? Still no. Alrighty. Well, we're still waiting. Yeah. 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 It's definitely somewhat looking heavy. Looking at my 2 minutes here. But we just need the momentum. Right now, we don't have the momentum. So that's why I'm not taking a trade yet. We got to get some momentum for me to want to jump in. Patience, people, patience. Don't just jump in and jump in. Yes, we are taking educated guesses, but we gotta be careful. Paris or Paris? What's up? Welcome. Come on, Betsy. Look at this flag right here. This is one big flag getting printed. Oh, yeah. Even on the 2 minute right there. That's a beautiful looking flag. Somewhat. And whoever just said, Duane, I don't see a flag. I got you. I got you, fam.
See that 2 minutes stay underneath that price just because the 1 minute became shaky, so I was just waiting for the 2 minute.
Yeah. What's up, Ule? Welcome, bro. Welcome. I appreciate the support, Ule. You're my German Indonesian brother.
All right.
Nothing but love for you, bro. All right, so we got 20 seconds. 20 seconds left on the 5 minute candle.
I think this might be it. It's probably about to go because it just swept some liquidity. Maybe we're staying underneath the 580 mark, so it's looking better.
So full port or no?
I'm just say risk what you want to risk, and then just
Let's
have your
go to
stop above
Dick's.
like 580.
Let's go, Dick.
Nope. I want to see like real flushes, like multiple red candles. It's literally a green, red, green, red, green, red.
No, I
green,
know.
red.
Right now, we're just holding. As long as on the flag we don't go 50% more, like 50% of the flag pole itself, we'll be good. Now, let me get ready to change this music because this music is getting right in. So I'm just going to change it early just so that way I can focus on the charts here.
Yeah, we're moving back up to that 580 level.
Ismail, what's up, bro? I'm still not overly sold yet. But I would want the Bears to step in pretty aggressive up here to save this flag. If they don't save the flag, then it'll negate it. So it's negating the 2-minute flag right there. Are they going to save it? Ooh.
No candle close yet, so
Let's
still
see.
technically saved.
Ule, what type of strategy are you using? All right, are we gonna get the flushy flush? BP wants the flushy flush. All right, we're breaking through the line. We're breaking through the line.
Yeah.
Come on, Betsy. Come on.
Oh.
Give me the full flush. I want the full flush. Come on. No. Did not get the full flush right there. Let's see if we get it. If not, I'll close this out.
This 1 minute's dancing.
Yeah, it's all dancing right now.
Usually when we start consolidating like this, there could be the chance of a flip coming. We are inside of like this 1 hour like fair VWAP. I would not want to see like this 2 minute like that same level of close above, but if it does, then I say we chop. Maybe we go for running back up.
Okay.
As long as we stay under that level, then we should continue going down.
Here comes that 21.
We have 12 seconds. It looks like it is going to get the candle closure.
Yeah. Just took an L on that one. Slightly aggy. I got greedy. But that's why I rotate accounts. We trade multiple. Oh, what's that? Let's see. Rotate this one. 3, 6, 4.
Starting to go up now.
Let's see if we get a bull flag. All right, trade fight messaged me again. Let's see what they're talking about.
Starting to look like a triple bottom down there.
Yeah, I should have bought.
Huh?
I was saying, damn, I should have bought. It's all good. 643 is my break. Would be like where I'd want to go break even at.
Oh, where'd my charts go?
OPG in the house.
I don't really think about ICT, to be honest with you, because that's not how I trade. And watch this be the dump,
That'd be ridiculous.
bro. We gotta get through this 553. Yeah, this is. I think this is going to be. Let's see. There's 553.
to keep it up.
Yeah, bulls don't want to give that 553 level up.
Hands off. I got tagged on a buy.
Okay.
If I get tagged out, I get tagged out. Only risking like 250 on this trade anyway.
Come on, Betsy. I'm getting close to this. That's 2 trades I took. I'm being greedy today. Being greedy.
Being greedy.
Well, let's flush for new high.
Where is it at?
If you keep chopping them, I'm gonna get chopped up.
You're in a buy BP?
I am. I set it at where we had the 1 minute flip, which was like 561, and then I did see some drawdown, but I was like, oh man, it's just gonna run through me, but it started reversing.
7, 6, 7.
I want to see it flip because we got above that 580 level, but I don't know. Like up 1.5 bar that I closed. Alright, we'll live to regret it. I'd rather lock it in.
Let me size down. Oh, what was that? I just accidentally zoomed it. That was scary. So I need $100 on this account, and this one will be able to get funded. I'm well over the profit target, but I'm at 40.3% consistency. I need 40%. So I need $100 to get this one passed.
It's looking like I FOMO'd out.
Well, did he get out green or red?
No, I got out green.
No, green's green, bro. Green's green, fam.
Green is my theme, mother. I'm not eating the dicks.
I'm not eating at dicks. Are we gonna go up there and try tapping the low of that 15?
Oh, I definitely forgot to mark a 15-minute orb. I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, we got a lot of selling pressure. Jesus, look at that.
Oh,
Lots of selling pressure up there. So we're in a chop zone right now.
yeah.
Be careful, boys. We're in a chop zone. We're in a chop zone.
think if we start closing under 560 again, we should see more downside.
Okay.
Might have been a liquidity grab.
Time frame. Sitting right here by this 21 EMA. Which chart? Right here, you can look on the 2 minute here. We got the 21 EMA in there, in between the candles.
It's definitely a battle for sure.
Oh yeah, this is definitely a chop zone. Definitely a chop zone. Yeah, on the NQ, Thor. On the NQ. We just need someone to win, right? We need someone, either the Bulls to win and start pushing it up, or the Bears to just take it lower. We don't want sideways. Gotta pump the market up here, boys. Gotta change the music so we can pump it. Well, there's that. That was pretty quick. I'm fine with that. All right, we're in the 15-minute range. We got the VWAP coming up as well. Hey,
5-minute lows above 621. I would want to hopefully still see more buy side like going up.
Copy. Yeah, once we get above this VWAP for me, I'll be looking for bullish plays. That's at 620.25 for the VWAP. BP Brett said the music worked to pump the market. I'm telling you, people, the market makers are watching the stream. Literally, they're on the Zoom call right now, but that's besides the point.
Yeah, definitely FOMO'd out. I'd be up like 750. My break even would have been at 643, so that's where my first target is.
I just need a little bit right here. I need a little bit more green so I can close this out, because this account will be fully passed. Starting to look a little heavy there.
We have like 4 minutes to confirm if we're gonna stay above 622 on the 5 minute.
Okay. 4 more minutes, people. 4 more minutes.
Our new protection would be at 580, so if we start dropping under there.
All right, there we go. I think we just got it right there. Let's see if I got it. I need, that's 860. Pretty sure I just got it. Let's check. Yeah, perfect. So that's another account pass that will be on standby if I blow funded accounts. We'll take it. We'll take it. That's the landscaper. All right, so that one's good. Which other ones are going to be traded? You got that one. I got to trade as well. Let's just keep the party going. What time is it? Yeah, we got a little bit of time. Do giveaway also, Broom? I do giveaways here and there. Not all the time, because me giving away is me streaming for free for y'all. That's the giveaway. That's looking like a bull flag right there. We're getting a bull flag here on the 2 minute. Let's see if we get some momentum here, because if we do, your boy may have to take it. All right, we're pushing through my yellow line there. Well, go ahead, man. Make your money, bro. Good job. We need clean momentum right now. That's what I need right now.
It's looking a lot better. We just closed above it. The next candle's gonna be a rejection or not.
Not bad. On my Trayify funded account, I put in them so far for this month 13 grand. We'll take that. Easy money. Well, it's not always easy, but it is easy money. You're right. We clicking buttons, folks. This is the best job, career, skill set anyone could ever learn because we literally click buttons and we make money. Like, this is like the adult video game. At least for me, at least. Don't know about y'all, but for me, this is an adult video game. Because like when my kids are playing like the Roblox and like Fortnite, all those games, right? Like they get like the gift cards and everything, so they can use their money to buy stuff. But no, we click buttons and we make money, legit money, not in a gaming system. Like, I love this. Come on, Betsy. Locked in at 170 right there. Quick little scalp. And I think I'm done trading for the day. I'm going to stay on stream. I'm just not going to be executing any more trades. Let's see, that 170.
I want to see us hit that first target at least 643. Come on, really.
643. Right, we're close. We're close.
So close. We're edging it. All right, we hit that.
Ule, bro, learn my strategy, fam. If what you're doing is not working, bro, learn my strategy, please. It's in the vault. Trust me, it will help you. Well, we got that 643, bro. What?
Hey, so did Tradeify take care of you, but then it got back to you again?
No. They have not yet. They're saying it's a bug in their system, and they said that that account was breached, but I only went down 1,400, so it can't be breached.
Yeah, and because that's the one that cuts off anyway. You couldn't breach it if you tried, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, I don't think hitting daily loss limit was supposed to blow an account, right? You're supposed to get locked out.
Yeah, you get locked. So that's what happened. I got locked out, but then the lock never released.
If anybody's still in longs, your current protection would be at like 619. I locked in. I'm probably gonna regret it, but it's fine.
No, watch out, people. Watch out.
At first, I
Like,
thought I
feel
was
like
gonna have
it's
a
getting
bad
close
luck.
to the 15 minutes. The orb should push up that way.
Yeah, guys, I've been in it from the bottom.
Hell
Last
Oh.
yeah.
nothing. I'm trying to do stone hands today.
Yeah,
See if I can get
got it.
this see if I can get this 1,600 out of this one contract.
Well, make your money, bro. Make your money. Let's see. So that
There
one
is an
we'll get.
update. New protection low would be at like 627. So if you're able to like move your stop up, then you can. I just like to lock in profits personally, but you can do whatever you feel like.
I think we all like locking in profits, BP.
No, you're right. I moved it up just under that last 5-minute candle at the bottom of the wick of that last 5-minute candle.
Okay, that's a good one. Yeah. If you're looking at like at the 5-minute chart, like your 5-minute protection would be all the way down to like 548. So, like technically it can pull back down as long as we don't get like the candle closure under there. Just because on the 5-minute chart we haven't formed any pullbacks yet, but like actually give us a new protection. But on like the 2-minute, the pullback that we got would be at 628.
Yeah, right now my stop is at plus $430. So
What's your ultimate target for your 1600?
$1 million.
no. It's at 672.
Oh, so Sylvester, you still in the trade?
Yeah, I'm still in it. I'm working on my stone hands, brother.
Where was your entry?
Let's see. It was way down at the bottom of orb. It was at 592.
Yeah. Yeah, boy, you get some good money. Order filled.
All right, I'm back.
Here on
Right
the
back
2-minute
down to the
chart-
VWAP right there. Oh, breaking out of the 15 as well. Ooh. Don't know how I feel about that.
Stopped out
Like
at
a-
430.
You got stopped out.
Yeah, hit my stop loss at 430.
Oh, okay, gotcha. For the 2-minute chart, we are kind of like trading underneath that support level right now. So if we do get the candle closure, we might start turning around. Now it's just wicked down really far, and it's trying to see if we're going to close below or above it.
Yeah, it just hit that fair value gap. I think it's going to push back up. It just needed more liquidity.
Huh? Yeah, let's see what we get. I feel like it may want to roll here. Because with how we broke out of that 15-minute range so quick like that, we may start rolling.
Yeah, technically our 15-minute is still bearish until we form like a red candle and then trade above it.
Because on the 15, if you squint your eyes, turn your head to the side. This is what I'd be looking for. Potentially. So we would need to come down to break that line for a short. Or we're going to need a pop above this line for the long. On the 15. We got 6 minutes. 6 minutes here. Echo, echo.
6 minutos. 6 minutos.
I want to see some momentum here, but I feel like it wants to come on down.
Come on down.
Technically that 2-minute protection was ran through already for longs, so I feel like we could be switching shorts.
Okay. Well, there's losing the 15-minute range right there. Back into the 15-minute range. What's up, Woody? How you been, man? Bull's trying to hold this line right here. Nice, bro. Congratulations. All right, now we're putting a green candle right below this not 15, right below this 21 EMA. It's real tight right here. I want to see it start to waterfall. I'll probably take a quick scalp.
I like it. Now he's back in the game, everybody. Duane is back in the game.
I'm always in the game.
Yeah, in the game.
EA Sports
You said
in
you
the
were
game.
not trade for the day. Now you're like, let me get the gat, show you where it's at.
BP, it's being requested that you do the EA Sports in the game on the mic real quick.
EA Sports for the game.
There you go, Brett. There you go. We're consolidating right here, right below this 15-minute range. Let's see what move we get. It's real tight right here, real tight. We got less than 2 minutes for 11. Less than 2 minutes for 11 here.
Minutes, well, 1 minute to 11.
Yep, one more minute. One more minute. There's that VWAP. $30 seconds, 30 seconds for 11 here.
For shorts, our current protected high would be like 624. So as long as we keep staying under there until we get our next pullback, we should be fine for going down.
It's building up for a move. I can feel it in my bones. There's a 21 EMA tap. It's officially 11 right there as well. Officially 11.
Testing that spot.
On the 5 minute, that's showing a bull flag right there on the 5.
Yeah. 5 minutes still bullish. Now, to get this candle closure, it should be aligned back with the 5 minute.
This is an eval. This is an eval, people. I'm not trading my fundeds anymore. I'm done for the day.
Wicked above, but we didn't get that close yet. If this closes red, then we want to see it try again. But if we stay green, then it can still validate it.
Hamid, what's up, bro? What's up, Jose? I'm done trading today. This is an eval that I'm trading currently.
We haven't gotten the candle closure yet, but we're still trying. We have 2 green candles so far. If the next one's green, we could try to break it now.
I feel like the bulls want to push. They just don't have enough.
We need to get above 620, like 625 basically.
Okay.
These last 3 candles have closed underneath it. So here we go. We're pushing above it now.
Well, let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. From BP's voice to God's ears. Show us the money. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. It's like we're so close right now. We're so close.
It keeps wicking, yeah.
Like, this is craziness. Of course, I would be in a trade in consolidation. Yeah, this thing wants to go right now, too. When it pushes, it's pushing. It's gonna be like a rocket ship.
There we go. Yep, there was the closure. Love it. See if we can take that make a new high at like 658.
From BP's lips to God's ears. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. Yeah, it wants to go, but come on, Bulls. Rocket ship. I need a rocket ship to finish the stream. I need a rocket ship. I closed 150. Thank God. Got out just in the nick of time. Got out just in the nick of time on that one.
Like one of those bad action movies. Like, I'm getting too old for this shit.
I saw it was looking heavy, so I got out. Cozy, what's up, bro? Welcome.
It just tagged me in on my order for longs, so
Okay.
see if I get screwed or not.
Well, hopefully not. I do not like how the bear stepped in personally.
Yeah.
So just be careful.
So you had like a preset buy and it just triggered it?
Yeah, it just came down and touched me.
Is that instant account boss? No, X, I do not use instant funded accounts. I go through the eval phase, everything like that, just like everyone else, because I feel like instant fundeds are a waste of money. If you know how to trade, instant accounts are a waste of money.
Really want to get this flush above the high.
Yeah, but I don't know any. I haven't researched Blueberry. For me to want to go long, we had to get above that previous candle wick because we had too much selling pressure right there for my liking.
I'm being greedy. I want this account to be up 500 for the day.
Oh,
Hey.
no, you're getting greedy too. This is getting contagious.
I know I was greedy today myself. It was bad.
What? That. Two of these.
So I've decided I'm gonna do my 2K request from Tradeify this evening once it updates in the back office. But I'm doing it only because if I take the payout this week, then on the same account, I could get another payout by next Friday.
I'm trailing the position because I already hit the 500 on the account. So if it just keeps going, then I'll try to hold.
Well, we just cleared that previous wick. There we go. We're clearing it right there. Yeah, I'm done trading. I'm done. I secured the payout, everything like that. I need to stop trading. I need to stop. It's contagious. Trading is contagious. You just want to keep on going. But you have to learn how to walk away from trading.
I closed it. I ended up with $5 under.
That's so annoying. That's so annoying. Like, I hate the slippage sometimes. Like, I'll be like $400 green. I'll close it. I'll get $200. I'm like, seriously? But hey, green's green.
Yeah.
And we'll take a -5 trade as well. Because you protected capital. At the end of the day.
I was hoping for some cleaner PA today. I was wanting it to just like do like how it downfall like on the way back up.
Yeah. No, that would've been nice. That would've been nice.
That was my hopes for today because all the targets I had that I started like when we had the flip at like the bottom, I had that freaking 643, and then my ultimate one that I was looking for was the 697 and 723. So if we go and hit this after stream, I'm gonna be slightly annoyed, but it's fine because I didn't really want to wait through all this chop up and down anyway.
Yeah. Hopefully tomorrow we get some good movement. We got news tomorrow at 9:45 for the S&P. So that should do something for us. So we'll see. Well, Cozy, well, first off, congratulations getting a growth account with Tradeify. Good job on that. My recommendation, base hits, bro. Base hits.
Oh, there's the hive.
Close your eyes, BP. Close your eyes.
You know what? We're closing out the charts. We're just gonna hang with y'all.
Oh, I'm getting off in like 5 minutes as well because I'm disappointed with my trading performance today. I'm my biggest critic. You know what I'm saying? So I broke some rules today, not happy about. Yes, I did secure a 2K payout today. Yes, put in over like close to $2 grand in my Tradeify accounts today, but I'm still disappointed with my trading performance. Because I was too greedy today. Yeah, I low-key feel like I wanted, just like yourself, BP, like another nice day like yesterday. And that's what I was really hoping for, the markets to move up. The market wasn't giving it to us today. But I was still being greedy. Instead of just closing out when I saw profits, I was holding a little bit longer, telling myself it's going to keep going down or it's going to keep going up. I can't do that. I can't do that. But we reset, we regroup, we come back tomorrow and execute once again. For all the new people here, tonight we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to be talking about trading. We're going to be talking about life and everything in between. Tomorrow night's Traders Hangout may get pushed back like an hour, 30 minutes to an hour. Taking Brenda out to dinner tomorrow. So, want to have enough time to be able to get back and all that stuff. So. Cozy, you can only decide how much you're willing to lose. Like for me personally, I'm willing to lose $1 grand per trade. Just based off of my numbers and how I trade, I could easily lose. I could lose $1 grand and still be able to make it back quickly. So gives me a little bit more wiggle room. But trading's personal. What was that?
But don't start wiggling on the stream.
Yeah, we're not wiggling on the stream, but trading's personal. So you have to figure out what works for you, what doesn't work for you, and what makes you tick and what doesn't make you tick at the end of the day. Because trading is 95% psychology, 5% strategy, and clicking the button. Well, folks, I think I'm gonna be jumping off here because if I keep looking at the charts, I'm gonna want to keep trading, and I don't want to trade anymore. So I'll see you guys tonight for the Traders Hangout. If I don't see you tonight, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Hopefully you guys had a safe day in the markets with us and you made money. If not, you get to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. And we learn from our decisions we made today so we can execute better tomorrow. Legacy, I got nothing but love for you guys. It's always a pleasure trading with you guys. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning if I don't see you tonight's stream.
Bye, guys.
Ready. You guys take care every day.
Be blessed,
All right,
everyone.
see you Saturday.
Yes, sir.
All right, bye.
Bye. Brett, have a good day, bro. See you later.